All right, everybody, Garrity with Skyline Homes of Nampa here. Super excited to show you the Hillcrest G881. You've seen our other super high-end, super custom Hillcrests. You've seen our Mill Creeks, which is again our bang for your buck series. This one is still a Hillcrest, but we're finally getting to show you what a standard Hillcrest looks like in that base price. We put a few upgrades in there, some appliance upgrades, maybe a tray ceiling, a little bit of exterior upgrade on it just to give it a little bit of flair, but finally showing exactly what it means to buy a base price Hillcrest home. So what you can see here on the outside is an 22-foot dormer centered over the front door and the 2 living room windows. All the lap siding that you see on the bottom, that is standard. That always comes with a Hillcrest home purchase. The board and bat up in the dormer, also standard. We added the board and bat along the top half of the front door side, but if you were to not do that, you would just have the vertical hardy plank coming up off of the lap siding. But for the most part, other than that little bit of add-on, this is a standard look, standard 72-inch windows, standard 46 width. This is how a Hillcrest comes when you purchase just the base price on the house. So let's head inside, check it out. All right, so again, standard Hillcrest home. So what that comes with, you get the tall cabinets in the kitchen, you get 9-foot flat ceilings throughout the entire house, you get the 72-inch tall, 46-inch wide windows throughout the house. You'll notice this floor plan, very open floor plan. Again, it's 1,800 square feet. You got a huge living room, huge family room, dining room, kitchen. It all really comes together with the home. Some of the add-ons that we did in here, we put in a 16-foot tray ceiling. It's already a tall ceiling home, but when you add this in, it really gives it that extra lift, that extra height, that bigger feel when you come into the home. So we also installed the luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout all of the living spaces. Everyone always asks about that transition strip. Any home you purchase, any manufactured home you purchase, if you don't like that transition strip, all you got to do is put LVP flooring in. It floats right over the marriage line. Standard carpet would come in the living room. That would also float the marriage line. But a lot of people these days, I know they don't like to have carpet anywhere but in their bedrooms. So you can start with the transition strip, and then later on in the future, upgrade to the LVP flooring. You put the LVP right on top of that the lino flooring, or you go straight to the LVP, your choice, your house. So again, living room, we've got the big open kitchen, tall cabinets that you can see throughout. We kept all of the countertops standard except for the bullnose edge that we added on. Standard sink, standard faucet. We did add the glass top stove, the microwave over the range, the bigger fridge, and then we upgraded the standard dishwasher to stainless steel. Other than just those 5 upgrades, this is a standard kitchen, standard look, standard cabinet colors here at Skyline. You get the peachy keen or the Creston oak, which is a dark wood, which you've seen in some of our other videos, including the Mill Creek 4406 video. But again, here's the nice clean look. Now we can add on to these houses with the Hillcrest. Like I've said in previous videos, these are our customizable series. So if you want to slide this window over, pair the windows up, we can extend the countertop, extend the overhead cabinets, extend the island, take that 6-door pantry, move it over here. We're custom. Whatever you guys want to do, pick the floor plan, come meet us. We'll put the budget together, figure out how much room we have, and then we start making all the custom changes that you want, including the Mac Tower dormers, the cathedral ceilings. But the 9-foot ceilings have become very popular for us. So that's why we're excited to show it to you. So let's head into the master bedroom now. Master bedroom is very large, over 16.5 feet long, obviously 12.5 feet wide. We can put the tray ceiling in here. We can add ceiling fans. We can add more lights, less lights, windows, skinny, tall windows on the side of the bed to frame it in. transom windows are available. Large master closet over here. We did leave the wire shelving in because we just want to show what the standard is for the factory. But of course, you can always do wood shelves with wood rod in between them. We can add more. We can do the shirt cabinet setup that you've seen with all of the different shelvings throughout. So all of these are options in here, but again, we wanted to keep it pretty standard so you can just see what that looks like, see where you want to make your upgrades. In the master bath, we kept this standard as well. The only change we made was the 60-inch fiberglass walk-in shower, but it comes with the double sink, the Lucian vanity lights, the white or black trim, the window, and the linen cabinets. This is all standard in the standard floor plan. You can always do the freestanding tub upgrade, the 4x6 shower package, but should you like this layout, which a lot of people have lately because it sets up perfectly to enclose a toilet cubby with a door and have some privacy inside here while your spouse is using the bathroom at the same time. So that has been a very popular option. We do have that on site in one of our other lot models we'll be showing later, but this is the standard Hillcrest layout for the master bathroom. So let's go check out the rest of the house. Now we got to walk all the way to the other side of the house. Formal dining room area, family room area. You can eliminate the family room and just do a long dining room. Sliding glass door out here, bring it out to your deck. A lot of cool changes you can do with this house. Actually, this floor plan has a couple of cool specific options to it pre-engineered. You can turn this area into a 5th bedroom, make this a 5-bedroom, 2-bathroom house, or over here, you can relocate the closets that are on this side of the wall, put a 3rd bathroom there, makes it a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom house. And then you can always do the 5th bedroom, 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom house. So this floor plan, it's got a great feel to it, really great standard features, but it has a lot of pre-engineered options as well. So we're on the other side of the house. We've got the other 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom over here. This is our smaller room. These two are the exact same size, dimensions-wise. Very large for guest bedrooms, kid bedrooms. You can set it up with a desk over here, dresser, and then we have the passage door closets for the kids. Again, wire shelving, but you can always upgrade that to the wood shelving, so not an issue if you do that. Huge windows. We already have the 2 LED can lights. You can obviously add more if needed, but these are the guest bedrooms or kids' bedrooms on the other side of the house. Guest bathroom. But this is going to be a great floor plan for you guys to come out and see and explore. We just got it staged and cleaned, so it's ready to go. A couple more lot models coming out here soon as well, so we'll be doing some videos. But schedule-wise, we're open 7 days a week, 9 to 5 on Saturday, 10 to 5 on Sunday, and 9 to 6 every other day of the week. Looking forward to seeing you out here.